Making money online with $1 products may seem like a daunting task, but it can actually be a very effective and profitable way to earn an income. Hello and welcome to eComHardy.com. In this video, I will provide you with very helpful information, so don't forget to watch till the end. Also, check out the description for more information. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Identify your target audience. The first step to making money online with $1 products is to identify your target audience. Number 1. Who are you trying to sell to? And Number 2. What are their interests and needs? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can start brainstorming product ideas that will appeal to them. Find a profitable niche. In order to make money with $1 products, you need to find a niche that is in demand and has a high profit margin. For example, if you are selling physical products, you may want to focus on products that have a low production cost and a high perceived value. Create high-quality products. Even though your products are only $1, it's important to ensure that they are high quality and provide value to your customers. This will help to build trust and credibility with your audience, which can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Utilize marketing strategies. Once you have your products ready to go, it's important to get the word out about them. Utilize social media, email marketing, and other marketing strategies to reach your target audience and drive sales. Upsell and cross-sell. One of the keys to making money with $1 products is to upsell and cross-sell to your customers. This means offering related products or higher-priced items to your customers after they have made a purchase. For example, if you are selling a $1 ebook, you could offer a bundle of additional ebooks or a related course for a higher price. Utilize affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money with $1 products. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. This can be a great way to generate income without having to create and sell your own products. Create a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps that a customer goes through in order to make a purchase. By creating a well-crafted sales funnel, you can guide your customers through the process of making a purchase and increase your chances of making a sale. Use scarcity and urgency tactics. By using tactics like scarcity, for example limited quantities available, and urgency, for example limited time offer, you can create a sense of urgency in your customers and increase the likelihood of making a sale. Leverage social proof. Social proof is the idea that people are more likely to take action if they see others doing it. By using social proof in your marketing efforts, for example customer testimonials, reviews, etc., you can increase the perceived value of your products and encourage more sales. Experiment with pricing. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies to see what works best for your business. You may find that increasing the price of your $1 products can actually increase your overall profits, as long as you are still providing value to your customers. By following these tips and being consistent with your efforts, you can successfully make money online with $1 products and build a profitable business. It may take some time and effort to get started, but with the right strategy and mindset, you can turn your passion into a profitable online venture. By following these tips, you can effectively make money online with $1 products and build a successful business. Hope this video makes your day. To encourage us to make more helpful videos and provide you with great tips in future, please subscribe to our channel. Also, like and share this video on your social media. You can always leave a comment in the comment box if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.